Hi guys! Hello! Today guys, i-review natin itong iCare Botox Keratin Filler. So, bumili ko dito guys sa Borjuman Supermarket guys sa halagang 24 dirhams. So, I think is mahal to sa Pilipinas guys. Yan. So, dito sa Dubai is 24 dirhams lang siya. So, binili ko dito sa supermarket sa board human Dubai guys. So ito try natin to guys. Ito ang pili ko guys is ang Botox Keratin Filler. So basahin natin guys is Marine Collagen Silk Protein Argan Oil infused and up with 80% na siya ma-effective na straight. Yan guys. So mayroon siya dito na direction for use, shampoo, diet, application, blow dry, flat iron, and then racing after 3 days. Yun guys. So this is made in Philippines. Yun guys. Itong iCare. So I think familiar kayo nito guys. Yan. So meron siyang instruction, madali lang gamitin guys. Yan, para ano guys. So, i-try natin to guys, itong iCare Botox. Yan, tingnan yung buko guys, parang kagkag. So, kailangan ibubotox siya para hindi na siya, ano guys, para healthy siya. Yun ang purpose. So, wala pa tayong budget magpasalon. So, i-try natin to guys. Yan. Itong flavor niya guys is grapes. Yan. Tingnan natin guys kung abang bango yan. So, yan lang guys. So, thank you for watching. Yan. So, meron available dito guys sa United Arab Emirates itong iCare Botox at saka Keratin. So, meron siya guys na Keratin talaga, only one bottle and then Botox. So, ang pinili ko guys is Botox. Yan, ito-try natin to guys. Ilagay sa buhok. Yan, kung effective pa siya. Pero nagsabi dito na 80% na effective siya guys. Yan. So, yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. So, it's me, Charlie OFW channel. So, this is iCare Botox.